What's up guys, Nick Pileggi here. Just want to apologize for the wait. I think it's been, like 3 weeks, but we had some trouble with the truck. Basically, we had to move it unexpectedly because the owner didn't want us working on his lot anymore. That was a little setback. We were able to get together this weekend and get it mostly together. So without further ado, enjoy the video. What is up everybody? We are exactly where we left off on the last video. And we are gonna put this thing together now. Everything looks all pretty. So now we get to do the fun stuff. Head bolts, the other box, and then there's the gasket kit down there. Single most important piece of this whole engine.
Originally, I thought it was the fucking piston guide into the block.
It's called the piston ring compressor.
I need that.
Oh yeah. Those of you guys who don't know, this is a Summit 1104. And those are the specs. 298 degrees, 466 inches of lift. It's a pretty street aggressive cam.
Everyone should know, just always cut towards your face, no matter what.
Well, yeah, because you have better depth perception.
Oh yeah.
So with our flat top pistons and our 1104 cam, she should be pretty thumpy. Of course, we're still running the stock heads and the stock intake manifold.
Because I'm broke.
I love that song. So we're polishing the crank right now. He's on the last one. Yeah. It's coming out pretty nice.
It's coming, yeah. Coming out.
Alright, we're getting ready to start off with the camshaft.
So just spray it on down and move it around?
Yeah. This is a pretty big camshaft, alright, so it's not gonna be...
I mean, I'm working my way down and then come back up.
Alright, yeah. Alright, she's all lubered up. You gotta lift it up.
Oh, from here?
Or from there. Right now it's sitting on the lobe. There you go. There you go.
Oh, goobied up.
Perfect video.
Wait. There's a notch there, but the notch is not even. I grabbed the wrong side.
And that's why they do that.
Well, that's all in.
I didn't know you were being paid to breathe.
Yeah.
So, in case you guys haven't heard from the previous video, we do plan to get this thing all together tonight. And it is 9 o'clock, a little after 9.
What mechanics do to make their engine move.
It's these narrow bearings. Right in there like that. Look at that, you got it in all the way. Oh yeah. Is it kind of tight?
Not at all. Feel how loose that is. I was right.
They go to 65. No, I'm not. Thing is.
No. Because then, like, I'm talking or not paying attention, I could just, boop, go right past the click. I like one where it's, like, a big thing where it's, like, down to here. One.
Like that, one-handed.
Oh, it's butter.
Those cylinders came out really nice.
Sorry.
And then I'm just gonna... There she is. Halfway down. And she still spins nicely.
Especially with my strength.
Alright, so it is 12:30 and we just got back from food.
There we go.
Now we're gonna get finished, get the rest of these babies in, and hopefully get the rest of it together. So, she's all pistoned up, and it does spin, but it wasn't like that for a long time, because as you can see, it is light out. We don't know what the problem was, but somewhere down the line between the first time it was put together and when I took it apart,
And putting it back together again. Someone fucked up.
somebody mixed up the caps on the pistons, and we had to go through every single one and like every single possible combination to get them to work.
It could have been me, it could have been him, it could have been the machine shop, the original owner, we have no idea.
Yeah,
But
so,
it's working now.
yeah, we were up until about 3 o'clock last night,
4.
and it's now 3 o'clock the next day, and we just got it going. So now we can finally move on and get the heads on and take.
And then we got the lifters over here.
Yep.
Lifters here, all fucking, I have no idea. 16?
Yep.
And then the fuel lines, the gaskets are in my truck, along with the oil pan, carburetor, just pulleys and stuff. And then we can finally start punching this thing together.
All right.
Keep it real.
It's on. What's up, guys? It is 3 weeks later. We're finally, hopefully, getting this thing all together. Putting the valve train in now.
Just
And
push
then
it
we're just
in
gonna
the
run a
hole.
quick compression test on it. See what it does.
Let's get the lifters in first.
I hope we have all the washers for the rockers.
Guess we'll find out.
We'll just plop them in.
Force that on.
So yeah, we got it on the stand here, on the crane, because we had to have the flex plate on. So we can crank it. It didn't fit with it on the engine stand. I did mess up a little bit on the paint around here with the taping off, but that's all going to be covered with the water pump on it. What?
That one able to stick up a little bit?
Yeah, it's the camshaft is on it.
Okay. Say hi to the people.
Hello, people.
Side markers look nice, Nick.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, yeah.
Gotta spread it around. Have you played Mechanic Simulator? Like on
No.
PC or anything?
I've watched other people play it. Andrew. Seems pretty cool.
I've played it. The most annoying thing about that game is the push rods.
Why?
Just because they're like, you're playing the thing and it's like you have the giant engine, you have the little thing you gotta click on just to do a push rod.
Wow, you got it right. Where bitches are hoes and hoes are bitches. I'm gonna charge up the compressor. So he's working on getting the rocker nuts on.
Make sure that we have all of them.
And I just hooked my tire gauge up through a spark plug hole, and it does make good compression. It's spun the engine. And depending on how much we get done today, we might be able to run it on the stand. Should be fun.
One, 8, 3, 5.
1, 8, 4, 3.
Ready?
You too. Getting the bolts in.
Is that a hole? Always love playing the game of find the hole.
You just lost the game. So we just got it almost fully assembled. Balancer is on. Got it set to 12 degrees, and then I got the distributor going. So now we're just going to put the finishing touches on, and we're going to attempt to run it on the ground here. We'll see how that goes. You usually have to take those off.
No!
Almost ready to run.
Why aren't you done yet?
Okay, so we did put the shaft on the oil pump, right?
Yeah. Now we just gotta tighten those.
You did fill it with oil, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It is the UZ06.
Yes.
Are you trying to test me? Because
What? Oh, no. What is in the new ZR1? I have no idea.
the new ZR1 LT5.
Should we have put Teflon tape on that?
That's fine.
It smells fuel.
We're going until I say we're done.
There you go.
Alright, well, I don't know what else to do then.
Oh, whoa.
That was cool. It started coming up towards you.
Fucking moron.
That's why it's got it